Miro and FigJam are two of the most popular online whiteboarding tools. But which one gives you the better mix of features, pricing, and collaboration power? Let's find out. So, FigJam offers a clean, playful interface with sticky notes, shapes, voting timers, and a growing library of brainstorming templates. It integrates seamlessly with Figma, making it a go-to for design teams who want to jump from ideation to wireframing without friction. Miro, on the other hand, is built for bigger, more complex workflows. It has over 500 templates, advanced diagramming, presentation mode, automation, and integrations with tools like Slack, Jira, and Asana, making it a powerhouse for cross-functional teams. Now, FigJam's free plan covers basic collaboration, while paid plans start around $5 per editor per month. Affordable, but some users find the billing structure a little confusing. Miro also has a free team, but paid plans start closer to $8 to $10 per user per month, with business and enterprise plans reaching higher for advanced security and admin controls. Now, both of those support real-time collaboration with live cursors, comments, and reactions. FigJam keeps things light, creative, great for quick workshops and brainstorming sessions, while Miro handles structured, large-scale projects with more control and analytics. So, which one should you choose? I think go FigJam if your workflow lives inside Figma and you need something simple and fun. And pick Miro if you want an enterprise-ready tool with deeper features and broader integration support. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. Whatever else you want to see from us reviewed, please let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next video.